first number I'd like to do is on page 9, Amazing Grace. Amazing Grace. Hello. The Lord has promised good to me. All sing that in unison, okay? His word my hope secures. He will my shield and portion be. Basses, if you're a low bass, regardless of your birthday, sing choir 1 because we want the low notes, okay? Let's hear choir 1 part. Ha, 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 okay. Here we go. Both choirs. 1 and... Very good. And I'd like to rehearse now. If we turn back, the music goes into the key of C flat major, which is just like C major, only with a lot more flats. Okay, if we could have the... Yeah, that's very beautiful. Very beautiful, but you sound a little sad about it. A little bit mournful. Could you be happy that you've been saved?